Last episode, you built the cycle, a React graph that loops back through the model until it stops. But every loop you ran called tools, and we waved our hands at what a tool actually is. Today, we make the environment honest. 3 tools, 1 in-memory world, 0 network. Make the environment a pure function, and the agent's actions become exactly reproducible. Here is the trap. People think a tool is the thing that happens in the world, file system, database, an API call to a server you don't own. So they wire their agent to a real database, run it twice, and get 2 different traces. The model didn't change, the world did. So we redraw it. The world is one dict held in memory, a fake user table, a counter, a scratch value. Every tool is a pure function. It takes its arguments and the current world, returns a result and hands back the next world. No hidden state, no clock, same inputs, same outputs. In LangGraph, this is a node like any other. The model node emits a tool call, a name and a JSON blob of arguments. The tool node looks up the matching tool, runs it against the world, and appends the result back into state. Model, then tools, then model again. The loop you already know, now with a real environment underneath. Watch 3 calls fire in order. dbget reads a user. Calc multiplies a number. dibset writes the result back. Each one mutates the same world, dict in sequence. Because the order is fixed by the script and the world is closed, the swim lane you'll see is the only swim lane this program can ever draw. The program. We import AgentKit for the seeded mock model, the scripted tools, and the trace. We pin the LangGraph version on the first line. The honesty caption stays on screen. The only fake part is the model's words. The tools, the world, and the graph are the real API. We build the world, a users table with 1 row, a scratch slot, then 3 at a tool functions. dbget reads a field. Calc does pure arithmetic. dbset writes a field. Notice every one of them only touches the world dict passed in. No globals leak. The model script is fixed in advance. Turn 1, call dbget for A does balance. Turn 2, call calc to double it. Turn 3, call dbset to store it. Turn 4, stop. The scripted LLM replays these in strict order, so the agent is a pure function of graph, script, and seed. The graph, a model node and a tool node holding all 3 tools, with a conditional edge that loops back while tool calls remain and stops when they don't. We compile it and we run it once, logging every tool execution into the trace. Run it. The terminal prints each step, which node, which tool, the args, the world after. 3 tool calls, dbget, calc, dbset, then stop. The final world shows Ada's balance written back doubled to 100. Now the proof. We run the whole thing twice in process and assert the 2 traces are byte identical. They are. Then assert identity checks the figure's value, the terminal's value, and the headline all equal 3 tool calls, green, the environment held. That's the lesson. A deterministic agent needs a deterministic world, and the world is just a pure function you control. 3 tool calls, 1 reproducible swim lane. Next time the model's JSON gets sloppy, and we make the tool calls typed and validated, so a bad call fails loud instead of silently corrupting the world.